Hello people, welcome back to DreamWorks Design Creatives, and today I want to introduce you to my best PDF editor. Most of us struggle to edit a PDF document, and it becomes a bit harder for us to edit that document or do some additions to the document, or change the document to something that is editable. So let's jump straight into our PC and open our browser. And on our browser, go to search bar and type LibraOffice.org. This is one of my best softwares in my PC. Type LibraOffice.org, and this is what will come up. The home page will be looking like this. And to download LibreOffice, you will be required to either go to downloads. You can download it from here. You can also download it from this point here. You can also donate if you wish to donate to them, because actually they give this software free of charge. So let's go to direct to download, and when you open the download page, this is what will come up. This is the page that you will see, and you can see we have LibreOffice 7.1.5. This is the latest LibreOffice, and if you are a technology enthusiast, you can download this one, because this is an early adopter. This version is definitely for you if you are an enthusiast of technology. But if you don't want to straight jump into the latest version, there is also an older version which does not have the latest features, but it has been tested for a longer period of time, and it is stronger and stable than this version. But because we are technology enthusiasts, we will straight jump into this latest version of LibreOffice. Remember, I want to get the best PDF editor, which I can get it from LibreOffice, and this editor is none other than LibreDraw. LibreDraw is one of the office operation softwares or office operation applications that are found in LibreOffice, and it has helped me so much because I can now be able to edit my PDF document. So to download, you have to first go to this drop down button. If you're using Linux, you can download it here. If you're using Mac OS, you can download LibreOffice. If you're using Windows 32 or Windows 64, you can use it. So we're going straight to Windows 64 because it is the operating software that I am using. So click on download. When you click on download, this application will run down here. Let's wait and see if it will. My Windows file picker has opened, and then we can save this document, and once you save, the download will appear right away down here. I had done the download, and after you do the download, you will be required to install the software. So here they are telling you the installation wizard will allow you to modify, repair, or remove LibreOffice. To continue, let's click on next. Here you can either modify, you can either repair, you can either remove. So for me, I had already installed the application, so I will not need any of this. I may need to repair if I had an issue with LibreOffice, or the one that I had downloaded as an issue. So when I click on next, it will help me repair the application if it was maybe it has some issues when I downloaded it. If it had some issues, I can repair errors in the program, and this option fixes missing or corrupt files, shortcuts, and registry entries. So for us, we will only be needed to download the recommended software. That is what will appear in our installation wizard. So let me close this. So then let me go to where I had saved it. So I had saved this document. I had a shortcut on this LibreOffice application, so we can open a LibreOffice application. You can see I had opened some of a few documents. So here we have the writer document. This is the Office Word. We have the calc spreadsheet. This is the same as the Microsoft Excel. And then we have the Impress presentation, and this is Microsoft PowerPoint. Then this is what we were looking for, drawing. So this is LibreOffice Draw. So let's open this one and see what will come up. And this is the canvas for LibreOffice. You can see the arrangement of documents is like the PowerPoint way. There's a way they arrange the documents. This should be page 1. If you add another one, it will come down here. If you add another one, it will come down here. You can merge all the documents into one document. You can decide to save the documents differently. So to access to our PDF document that we wanted to edit, we click on file. When you click on file, come open, click on open, and then it will Windows Picker will take us to our document. So I want to edit my document PDF1. Let's open and see what comes up. So this is the document that will appear down here. So if I want to edit this document, say for example I want to delete this name, I will definitely delete that name, and I can add the name of my choice. Just come and click on insert text box, F2. You can click on F2 to access it, and then bring it down there and type in the name of your choice. So here I will place in demo. Let me move it to there. I can move it down there, and then I can reduce the font size. Right click. If you right click, go to edit style, click on edit style, and here you can change the font size. You can see there are different style options for your document. So here I can change the font size to, say I changed font size to 14. I can also make it bold. I can even choose the font style of my choice. I can choose the font style of my choice. Then after that, click on OK. When you click on OK, you can see the font size has reduced. If you wish to change the color of the document or your word, if you want to change the color of this word, you can still do that by following the same process. So if I want, say for example, I want to edit here, and maybe I want to place my quantity to be 1, and then go back to my writing or insert text box, or click F2. I'll get my text box. So here I can type particulars is particulars, say for example apples. I will need apples. Maybe here I will need mangoes. Maybe here I will need bananas, and so on and so on and so forth. So here maybe let me add oranges. So I can still edit these ones, so I can change and I can still align my texts. I can align my text around here, so I can move this one here. I can still move this one. Let me change this to B. I can change, I can move this to here. Let me move it there. Let me move it there. Then I can still move this one out here, and then I can move it up a bit high. Let me place it somewhere nice. Let me place it somewhere there. You can still align your document. So remember, this is the PDF document that we were having. So let me align this. Let me see. Let me place it somewhere there. Nice, cool. You can still add a name over there. Down here you can still add a name right there. So let's add a name. Let's add the name David. And then if you want a signature, you can insert your signature. Maybe you had saved it in form of an image. You will click on image, and then the window file picker will take you where you want to pick your image if you have a signature. So from there you are done. You can still see here I didn't put dates, so I can still insert my dates. 08 stroke 2021. I can still add my dates, and I can reduce the font. I can change the color of the font. I can align my date. I can align any of that document. I can place it anywhere of my choice. So after I am done with this, definitely I will be required to export it to as a PDF directly without interfering with the document. So after I am done with the document, I'll save this to PDF 3 so that we can open and see if we will see the changes that we've made. After that, let's go and see if the changes that we made have actually materialized. So let's open that. Let's open on our PDF, see what I'm talking about. See this, the changes that we made. We were able to change here to add a few items down here. I was able to add my name on that this file, only that I didn't change the color of my texts, but I can still change the color like I told you. You can see the dates I was able. You can see the previous name that was here has now been removed, and now I have a different name. I can still do so many things on my PDF document and see that the document has come back in its original form. So thank you so much for following up with this tutorial, and I believe I have helped you realize that it is possible to have a PDF editor. You don't need to go for any other software, but this one is the best software. You can see they do have other options. Let's check on it and see. You can see on your left panel they have other options. There's you can insert a line, you can insert a rectangle, you can insert an ellipse, you can insert lines and arrows. If you click that, you will get lines and arrows. You can get also curves and polygons if you wish to do some curves and polygons. If you want there's so many things. If you want connectors, if you want basic shapes, if you want to place some shapes inside the document, you have so many options, so many things you can do with LibreOffice. So thank you so much. I believe you're going to do some exercise. So thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. So thank you so much, until we see you in the next tutorial. See ya.